How many chargers do you carry every day? One for your phone, one for your tablet, and another one for your laptop, and a power bank on top of that. What if told you that I replace all of them with just one device? You are watching Tajamul Adil. This is the CUKTECH 20 power bank, and after using for a while, I honestly stopped carrying my laptop charger, iPhone charger, and even my old power bank. But is this good enough for replacing everything? Let's find out. This isn't your typical power bank. It packs a massive 25,000 milliampere battery inside a surprisingly compact body. The build quality of CUKTECH 20 is really impressive. It feels strong and sturdy when you hold it. It doesn't feel cheap at all. One feature that stands out is the smart display on the front. It adds a modern touch and makes it easy to see important information at a glance. CUKTECH 20 provides essential data. This feature is often overlooked. You find it helpful, highlighting its importance in managing power effectively. Let's talk about connectivity. The CUKTECH 20 features a variety of USB-C and USB-A ports, enabling simultaneously charging of multiple devices. The CUKTECH 20 features multiple ports from a single device. You can charge your phone, laptop, tablet, wireless earbuds, smartwatch, and even drone batteries. With this capability, there is no longer a need to carry multiple chargers. The Type-C1 Blue USB-C port provides a faster charging speed and a maximum power output of 140 watt. The USB-A1 port offers a maximum power of 30 watt. With the USB-C ports, you can even charge any laptop. In contrast, the Type-C2 black color USB-C port, while still fast, has a maximum output of 45 watt. Now comes the important part. I recently tested the charging speed of multiple devices and I was surprised by the result when I charged my MacBook Pro M3 series. The fast-paced montage unfolds as I connect my 14-inch MacBook Pro M3 series to the fast Type-C1 port. The CUKTECH 20 screen's power composition escalates quickly to an impressive 70 watts, showcasing a significant surge in energy usage. This rapid increase in watt not only highlights the efficiency of the device in harnessing energy. This is where the situation takes a fantastic turn. Instead of carrying my MacBook Pro charger, I love to connect the CUKTECH 20 and yes, it charged my MacBook Pro M3 series without any problems. Plugging in my phone, fast charging initiates right away, maintaining a consistent speed and with only minor fluctuations in the numbers during the whole charging process. Next is the drone. Again, no issues. It recognizes fast charging instantly, but the experience with different charging types revealed that using Type C1 and Type C2 both resulted in a maximum output of 29 watt. In contrast, when switching to USB A1 for charging my drone, the maximum output drops to 10 watt. I'm currently utilizing all three ports to charge devices and observing the output result from each port. The Type-C1 Blue USB-C port provides an impressive maximum charging speed of 73 watt. specially designed for the MacBook Pro M3 series. In contrast, the Type-C 2 port is utilized for charging wireless earbuds, yielding a modest output of 2 watt. Additionally, when charging the drone through the USB A1 port, a maximum output of 10 watt was achieved. One of my favorite features has to be the smart TFT display features. The CUKTECH 20 offers more than just 4 LED indicators. It provides valuable insights into its performance. You can access essential information, battery percentage, total input and output power. It's a small feature, but it makes the power bank feel much smarter than most competitors. I have been carrying this every day instead of packing. iPhone charger, laptop charger, tablet charger, extra power bank. I just brought the ChuckTuck 20 and a USB-C cable. That's it. The ChuckTuck 20 power bank is remarkably convenient to hold as it weighs about the same as a water bottle. Of course, nothing is perfect because of its large battery. It is a little heavier than a normal power bank. But honestly, considering it replaced multiple chargers, that's a trade-off I'm happy to make. So, did I really replace all of my chargers for everyday use? Yes, whether I'm working or traveling. The ChuckTech 20 has become the only charging brick I carry if you are tired of carrying multiple chargers and cables everywhere. This might be the one of the biggest upgrades you can make. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, dashcam installations, power bank testing, and smart gadgets. I'm sharing a 10% discount code here, and you can find the buying links in the video description. If you have any questions about the ChuckTech 20, leave them in the comments below and I will happy to answer them. If you are interested in a travel vlog, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.